Hello and welcome to our video on prioritizing tasks. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with the amount of work you need to complete, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their workload, which can lead to stress, anxiety, and poor performance. In this video, we will show you how to prioritize your tasks effectively to maximize productivity and achieve your goals. The first step in prioritizing tasks is to create a list of all the tasks you need to complete. This list should include all work-related tasks, personal tasks, and any other obligations you have. Once you have your list, identify which tasks are most important and time-sensitive. Ask yourself, if I could only complete one task today, which one would it be? To help you prioritize your tasks, we recommend using the Eisenhower Matrix. This is a tool that helps you sort your tasks based on their urgency and importance. The matrix has 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, tasks that require immediate attention and have significant consequences if not completed. Important but not urgent, tasks that are important but do not require immediate attention. Urgent but not important, tasks that are urgent but do not contribute significantly to your goals. Neither urgent nor important, tasks that do not require immediate attention and do not contribute significantly to your goals. Once you've sorted your tasks into these quadrants, you can focus on completing tasks in the urgent and important quadrant first, as they have the highest priority. Next, focus on tasks in the important but not urgent quadrant, as these tasks contribute to your long-term goals. You can then delegate or postpone tasks in the urgent but not important quadrant, and eliminate or minimize tasks in the neither urgent nor important quadrant. By prioritizing your tasks, you can focus on what's important and not just what's urgent. This will help you save time and effort, reduce stress, and be more productive overall. So, start prioritizing your tasks today and see the difference it makes in your work and personal life.